Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into something a little historic and mathematical. We're going to convert integers into Roman numerals using JavaScript. Let us see how this ancient number system meets modern code. So, why would we want to convert numbers into Roman numerals? Well, it comes handy in games, clocks, or even displaying chapters and levels. Our goal is to take any integer and produce the correct Roman numeral string. Let's check out how the code handles this. Here's our function in action. We split the numbers into digits and then map each one to its Roman equivalent using a key array. The while loop handles ones, tens, and hundreds, and we handle thousands separately with m. The result is a clean Roman numeral string ready to display. First, we turn the number into an array of digits. Then, we map each digit to its correct Roman numeral using a predefined key list. Next, we handle the thousands separately by joining m symbols. It is a neat way to break down conversion into manageable chunks. Let's look, let's look at a few quick examples of our function at work. 4 becomes IV, 9 becomes IX, 27 becomes XXVII. These match the standard Roman numeral system. This shows our function handles various cases perfectly. Roman numerals aren't just ancient history. They're used all over in modern media. You'll see them on clock faces, in games, or even informal documents. With this function, you can build any feature that needs Roman numerals fast. It is a fun and practical coding tool. And that's how we convert integers into Roman numerals using JavaScript. We've used a key array and simple loops to build the final string. This is the classic problem that mixes math with real-world programming. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.